Okay, people. Today we're heading down to the Amex to watch Brighton versus Wolves. Now, in this game, we look favourites, slight favourites, just because we have been dropping off a form recently, obviously losing 3-1 to Nottingham Forest. But hopefully we can bounce back today against Wolves, as we haven't been at home for a very long time. I believe the last time we were at home was the beginning of the month. Anyway, so this leads on to my prediction. Today I'm going to go Albion 1, Wolverhampton Wanderers 1. I only see a draw today, as I don't think we're going to bounce straight back into incredible winning form. It would be lovely if we could. But, I mean, we only beat Wolverhampton Wanderers just last time, 3-2. And it wouldn't be surprising if Wolves did score more than once. People, I'll see some of you at the ground, hopefully. Bring on Wolves. People, I've also got something else to say, and that is that by the last game week, which is Brighton versus Southampton, we're hoping to have a new microphone, which means I'll be able to start the videos from the Amex. I'm going to have to talk into microphones so I don't have to be shouting all the time. So people, that's what you can expect in the future. Let's just jump straight into the match day. Come on. Okay, we're joined here by Harry. Harry, obviously we've got some transfer rumours coming up here with João Pedro. Hopefully he's signing for the club. 30 million, and obviously James Milner. What do you think of these transfers?
I'm quite happy with all these transfers personally. I think João Pedro can bring depth of experience. Obviously another South American player, another Brazilian player. Really, really good. 30 million is obviously the fee being banned around, you said, Charlie. But yeah, no, I think he'd be worth that. Obviously we break our transfer record, of which we paid for Adam Webster from Bristol City, which was 30 million, obviously, 20 million, sorry, obviously 30 million. So, no, hopefully he can repay the fee. And as for James Milner, really, really good experienced player, like with Danny Welbeck, Adam Lallana obviously coming from Liverpool, like James Milner. Obviously James Milner's really, really successful with Liverpool, having won like the FA Cup, the league title, and then the FA Cup, Carabao Cup. But yeah, no, he's got some really, really good honours behind him, and he would bring abundance of experience to the team.
Well, last time we played here, we lost 1-0 to Wolves, but the time after that, we beat them 3-2. What are you saying, mate?
I'm saying a 1-0 to the Albion. I think I'm going to go low scoring, because we've not really been able to find the back of the net recently, and I think goal scoring has dried up, I think, since that Wembley defeat. But, you know, I think it's just going to be a simple 1-0 today, and I'm going to go for Danny Welbeck header with the goal. But yeah, nothing too over the top. But yeah, as long as we get the 3 points, it doesn't really matter who scores.
I appreciate it, mate. Guys, hey, it's a different lineup today. Oi! 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 Next. Oi! Oh, he's not going up, isn't he? Oi! Nah, 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 nah. Oh, no. Yes, Donkey! That's very close. I'm not going to lie. If he got past Donkey, it could have been 1-0. Watching Brian of Albion. Brian officer, go on, Julio. Ball. Have this. Oh. Keep the camera going, actually, because Solly's got a chance. Oh, Solly. Ball. Oh! Yeah! That's why you keep recording. Then it's enough, puts it away. I think it's enough. Was that enough? It was enough. It's enough. 1-0. Whoa! Brighton! Well, the man we all doubted has literally just scored, but I think VAR might be intercepting a bit. I tell you, it's every time we score. No one else would be disallowed. Boo! VAR's always against us. Boo! I don't know, apparently it was close.
It takes so long. Yeah. It's either off or it ain't.
Now, what's he saying? What's the decision then? What's the decision, Red? Come on! Yeah! Come on! Yeah! Come on! Let's go! A 5th-minute lead against Wolves isn't something that happens every day. Solly Mott! Look at this. Good. Come on, Jason. You've got a possible red card there. I mean, the red cards not going to be a red card. It would have been for, I think, Thiago Costa. Go on, Julio! Go on! No, he did a good job. One ball! Yeah! What a goal, man! Yeah! 2-0! Yeah! 2-0 with Crown! Yes! What a goal, man! What was that, man? 2-0 like that. Oi! Purpose! Webbed off, clear! Oi! I'm telling you, I've not seen anything like this before. 14 minutes in, 2-0. Dennis and Dove, what a finish. And same with Pascal Gosh, incredible. And an assist from Julio Cesar. Golly! Keep it recording. Sometimes something special happens when I record. Something special has happened this time when I recorded on these moments. Donkey's one. Oh no, yeah, he got one assist. Make it 2. Oh, lovely. Oh. Yeah, okay. Oh my God. Oh. I'm telling you, the limbs today is crazy in your home. And it was going to be 2-0 up early, but look at this. Incredible performance already, really. We weren't expecting such an easy start. On Julio, good pass. Pass, Purpose to Spinian. Julio? Unlucky, man. That was really unlucky. But we got thrown off of it, so it don't really matter. I mean, we got a 2-goal lead early on, 18 minutes in. Hopefully, we'll be looking for that third. No. What a tackle! Counter! Come on, we've got to get a counter tackle with this. Come on. Oh, wow. Oh, yes! Oh. Come on, straight after we give it away, we won it back. Yes! No! Cross it in. Oh! 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 Oi! Good catch there from Seal, actually. You know what? I thought he was going to play the ball in maybe to the central area, but he just played straight into the hands of Jason Steele. I think he's trying to clip it on there to Neto. I think Neto might have actually been the one on the ball. Oh, God, no. It's Neto. He's in there. Oh. What a save! Yeah, Steele. Remain composed, and that's what you do. Go on. Go on, Julio. Go on, mate. Oh. Go on, Julio. What ball? Yeah! What a goal! What a goal! Oh, that one. Insane goal. Insane goal. Hey! Best performance I've ever seen so far. Hey! This club did a much better place, I'm telling you that. I'm just saying, people, Pascal couldn't have volleyed that any better. Perfectly in the top corner, but here come Wolves. A chance of their own. What a chance. Hey! 3-0 still. Come on. Can we win that back? I thought that was a goal kick then. Shoot! Corner, come on! Terrible! Oh! In a minute, it's going to be an empathetic win. It's 3-0 already. 29 minutes in. You predicted 1-0 or 2. I predicted 1-1. What a result we're getting. Stop him. We can do a lot better. Yes, Donkey! Look at that for defending. Oh, we actually dealt with that very easily, but they still got an attack. Good. Go on, Ndav. Yes. Yes. Oh. Go on. Go on. Julio. Oh, unlucky. Go on. Go on. Oh. Very good. Very good. Very good attack. Well, 32 minutes in, 3-0 to Albion, basically explains how the football's been. Wolves have had a few chances, but still with an absolutely incredible save. Dunk with a few blocks. One incredible performance from all sides of the team. Started off with Undav a little bit sloppy, but after that first goal, we've been on top. Come on. Oh! Julio? Oh, here they come. They're strong attackively, but we're very good defensively and goalkeeping. Hopefully this don't have anything on it. Even though we are 3 goals up, they can still bring it back. They've got time. No. We must never get ahead of ourselves. Oh, God. Come on, lads. The thing is, everyone's super lucky. They've got to go in there and they've got to find something from it. You know, a tackle. Yeah, it's a good opportunity for Wolves. Yes, Purvis! Where? Whee! I don't know who we're clapping, but we're going to clap him anyway because he's one of the Albion bench players. Warming up. Oh, hang on, that could have something in it. Oh, the thing is, Wolves made so many mistakes that we could expect anything. Looks good, he looks good, looks fine, he looks. And it Mac is on my mind, and he's Brighton's Argentine. Go on. Oh no. It's almost silent in here. I mean, what chance Wolves have again? Oh, surely still. Oi! Oh! Oi! Oh, it's solid. Yeah, good. Oh no. And I'm happy he cleared it, but we've got to try and keep that ball now because Wolves have been a little bit on the ball. And we know they can be dangerous. Oh, giving it away again. Go on. How do you see so? Well, he scored a few goals for the Seagulls and assisted today. What ball! Yeah! 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 4-0 in first half! What?
That's Spurs.
What is going on? My word! This is exceptional! Absolutely empathetic first half. I don't even know who scored it. I think it was Welbeck. Welbeck. Come on, Welbeck. I said he'll score. He scored. Come on. Albion! 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 Oh dear. Whee! You might as well just get him off of this. Leave him. Good. Yes. Go on then.
Come on.
Who's going for that?
Let me walk it out the area.
Ah, come on. We've got to go for possession. Now we're falling up. We're getting a little bit cocky. Good. Look over there. Little Seagull on the field. Get him on it. Oh dear. The camera's very straight. Hey! Seagull! Seagulls! Well, I can tell you, first half it's all written about consistency really. Wolves keep making mistakes in that midfield, and what that's allowing us to do is giving us time and space to go up there and score goals. And that's what we're doing. We're taking our chances and we're being incredible today. I think this is one game we're always going to remember. That's incredible today, and I can't believe it. 4-0 first half. Old Sussex by the sea. Good old Sussex by the sea. It makes Albert all stand or fall for Sussex boys. An early start for Wolves. Oh my. Hey! What a terrible shot. More ball. Now wide. It's gone backwards, but usually I keep the camera rolling. There's a little bit more magic. If we can get the attack, then there you go. Proves what you can really do, isn't it? Especially when you're falling up at half time. Oh my! Magic. Yeah! What on earth was that? What was that? Yeah! 5-0! God! What is happening? What is happening? 5-0! Danny Welbeck again. Double from Welbeck, double from Brighton, one from Linda. Come Welbeck. Come on, Danny. Here come Wolves. Good chance for Wolves. Come on, Donkey! Oh! on. Oh! Hey! Oh! Come on, let's get the magic going again. Hopefully we can get 6th in this game. 5-0 is insane, man.
What a strike.
I know, incredible. Again. Oh! Oh! Unlucky, man. You know what?
What a ball game.
Yeah. You've been incredible for us anyway. 5-0 at the beginning of the second half. 50 minutes, 5-0 out in. Best I've ever seen us play, honestly. There go Wolves on the left. Cadence. Yeah. Oh, Wolves have a chance. Ah, we've got it back. Oh dear. Nah, but it's got to do better than that. Oh! Oh, mate. Very close to Solomon March going through that time. I can't believe though, like, how do you let 5 goals in like that? To be fair though, we've got some good goals in this. Substitution for the Albion double. Oh, what a game he's played, man. What about outside the box effort and a header. What would be that? Matoma and Facundo Buonanotte are coming on. Sorry, March is coming off from Matoma and Buonanotte. Where's the Yari though? Go on. Keep it going. Get up, go on. Referee. Well, actually let him play, continue, go on. Here we go. Oh, unlucky. Ah, good. Playing calm. That's what we want to do. We're creating our chances. Oh, Matoma! Oh, good job and Dove anyway, just to get the end of that, brilliant. Just got to create that chance again. Maybe he should have searched for the middle a little bit more. And that was a good shout, but it's a good block as well. Got to give it to him. What a ball. Oh, what a block. Charlton are 2-0 up in Fort Vale. Toma. How's that not pen? How's that not pen? That's got to be, yeah. How's that not a pen? What a game he played as well. He's our man of the match so far, I'd say. Well played from Cisco. Who's he going to replace by? It looks like Lamptey.
Who's replacing him?
It looks like Lamptey, I don't know. Actually, no, it's definitely not Lamptey. No, Caicedo and Sarmiento, I think. Or Caicedo and McAllister. Yeah, Caicedo and McAllister. Go on! Oh, yeah! Yeah! Yes! 6-0, Dennis Enough! Dennis Enough! Oh my God! 6-0!
You know how much I hated England after Wembley?
Yeah! 6-0! What the hell? Dennis Enough! Dennis Enough! He basically chipped the keeper in. It was a perfect finish, that's what it was. There you are, guys, you can see on the screen there what happened. Oh! Hey. Oh mine! Oh mine! 7! Oh! Yamek is mental right now, and it's 6-0. I wanna know how you scored that goal. Dennis and Dab. I wanna know how he scored that goal. Bring back the old Neil Moore patron, I guess. About Undab this time. I'm a cancer. Go on. Make it 7, please. That'll be even more incredible than it already is. Oh, that's more chulo. It's got 6-5. Good old Chelsea 46. Good old Chelsea 46. Number 4 for big fun. Hey, Dennis Enough. I wanna know how he scored that goal. Being 6-0 to the Albion 6-0. To the Albion 6-0. To the Albion. Come on. You reckon we will find the 7th or not?
Well, they're going, they probably will.
Oh, people are genuinely thought we're going to go in there again. Look at this football today, it's been spectacular. What a result. We already know the results was incredible. We're coming for full time. It's 6-0 in the 73rd minute. Didn't really ask for much more with that. What ball! Oh! Put that ball in. Yeah. Windup looks incredible today. Yeah! Ball! Oh! And winning in the sun for once. You never win when it's sunny. Moises! Oh dear. What a save! Again from Seal. Second time this game. Rare. No, you wouldn't expect 8-0 today, no, but I think today...
Oh, even what we got.
Yeah, even what we got, yeah. How's that not a goal? Hey! How's that? Right, I mean, you literally laid on the floor. Shooting for the Albion. What game he played? He needed that. He did. Performance like that. Wow. And we feel different of you now. Yari, yes! I wanted him to play. Can't make it 7. Oh. Shoot!
We'll get one more before I finish, won't we?
Well, we get one more. Well, I'm not really bothered because we've already smashed him and banned enough, but one more goal certainly would be a great, well, even better revealing when it already is. Mitoma! Oh, Mitoma! Oh! Whoa! 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 Mitoma! He played well. He just had to try and make the ball in a little bit earlier there. And it would have been potentially 7. 82nd minute, isn't it? Oh, well, I mean, you'd expect it. The away end is almost empty. Free kick for the Albion. What's he doing? He's just signalling. He's trying to tell someone to get in there. It's like a little chain. Go on. What a goal this could be. Oh, what a goal this could be. Oh. Oh, no. I genuinely thought we could get an end on that too. If that was 7-0, then it'd be way better. But again, we're 6-0 up, so again, incredible. Shoot! Just shoot, Alexis. Oh, he's left it too late. Matoma! Oh! And Matoma's got very unlucky now. He's got to try and keep it low and he's got to try and get power. We'll sing your song. Come on. Facundo Buonanotte got a goal last game. A little tap in assisted by Matoma, I believe. Now we're just trying to lure him out for maybe a 7th. Well back player of the match. You can't say he doesn't deserve it. He played really, really well today. Got 2 goals, obviously. 1 outside of the box effort. We've got 2 of those in today, I believe. I think it's just 2. But either way, what a performance of all the players. Go on. Actually, talking about that, Matoma had a chance. Purvis? Purvis is still on it. Oh, no, he's not. Oh, Matoma. Hit it! Oh! Come on, keep it going. I don't really care about penalty shout. Just keep it going. Oh! Okay, guys. Now, we won 6-0. An absolutely outrageously good game where the Seagulls obliterated the Wolves. Today, you know what? This morning, if you told me it was going to be 6-0, I would have laughed. Honestly, I was thinking 1-1. I was thinking it's going to be so frustrating, but it wasn't frustrating at all. 6-0. Couldn't ask for many more. I think we could have scored another 2 if we took our chances a little bit better. But it doesn't matter. We won 6-0. One step closer to Europe. And people who watched today's video, I appreciate you watching. And if you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.